What if I told you that the kitchen you're about to see cost more than $12 million to build? And that's just one room in a house worth over $200 million. Welcome to a world where cooking spaces aren't just rooms, they're architectural statements that would make most five-star restaurants look ordinary. Today, we're stepping inside the most spectacular kitchens on the planet, spaces so extraordinary that they'll forever change how you think about where food is prepared. These aren't just places to cook a meal. These are temples of culinary excellence, designed for people who accept nothing less than absolute perfection. Let's begin our journey in Bel Air, California, inside a sprawling 38,000 square foot estate that sits high above the glittering lights of Los Angeles. The kitchen in this home spans nearly 2,000 square feet, larger than most people's entire houses. But size is just the beginning of this story. Floor-to-ceiling windows stretch across 40 feet, framing unobstructed views of the Pacific Ocean that seem to pull the horizon right into the room. The countertops are carved from a single, rare block of Calacatta Borghini marble, a stone so precious that interior designers wait years just to get their hands on it. This particular slab features dramatic gray veining that sweeps across the surface like smoke frozen in time, and it took a team of Italian stonemasons 6 months to cut, shape, and install it to absolute perfection. Beneath those stunning counters, you'll find custom cabinetry handcrafted from French walnut, each panel book-matched so the wood grain flows seamlessly from one door to the next. The hardware alone cost over $400,000, each handle and hinge custom forged from solid bronze by a third-generation metalsmith in Germany. Now let's travel across the Atlantic to Monaco, where space is measured not in square feet but in pure gold. In this principality of extraordinary wealth, we find a penthouse kitchen that occupies the entire top floor of one of the most exclusive buildings on the Mediterranean coastline. Here, the design philosophy shifts from expansive to intimate, proving that luxury isn't always about size. Every surface in this kitchen has been lacquered by hand, requiring 17 individual coats applied over 3 months to achieve a mirror-like finish that reflects the azure waters of the harbor below. The result is a space that seems to glow from within, where even the smallest details have been considered and reconsidered until they achieve nothing less than perfection. The centerpiece of this Monaco kitchen is a custom range imported from France, a 12-burner masterpiece that was originally designed for a Michelin-starred restaurant. It took artisans over 18 months to build, with each brass fitting polished by hand until it gleamed like jewelry. The price tag for this single appliance exceeded $300,000, and there are only 4 others like it in the entire world. But perhaps no kitchen on our list captures the essence of timeless luxury quite like what awaits us in Tuscany. Nestled among rolling hills covered in ancient olive groves, a 17th-century villa has been meticulously restored by one of Europe's most celebrated architects. The kitchen here tells a different kind of story, one where history and modernity dance together in perfect harmony. Original terracotta tiles, laid by craftsmen over 400 years ago, cover the floors, their warm honey tones deepened by centuries of footsteps. Above, exposed wooden beams stretch across a soaring ceiling, each one hand-hewn from chestnut trees that once grew on this very estate. A massive stone fireplace dominates one wall, its hearth wide enough to roast a whole pig, just as the villa's original owners would have done centuries ago. Yet step closer and you'll discover that beneath this rustic beauty lies some of the most advanced kitchen technology money can buy. Hidden panels conceal sub-zero refrigeration units, and a state-of-the-art ventilation system has been invisibly integrated into the ancient stonework. Touch-sensitive controls are embedded directly into the marble surfaces, allowing the homeowner to adjust lighting, temperature, and music with just a gentle tap. It's a space where the past and future exist in perfect balance, and where every meal becomes a celebration of both heritage and innovation. Our journey now takes us to the desert oasis of Dubai, where excess isn't just accepted, it's expected. Rising 80 floors above the glittering cityscape, a penthouse kitchen defies every conventional rule of design. The kitchen island alone measures 22 feet long and is carved from a solid block of black Zimbabwe granite, a stone so dense it required a custom-built crane just to lift it into position. Overhead, a chandelier containing over 12,000 individual crystals cascades down like frozen rain, casting prismatic light across every surface. When the sun sets over the Persian Gulf and paints the sky in shades of orange and gold, this kitchen transforms into something almost supernatural, a space that seems to exist somewhere between reality and dreams. The appliances here read like a wish list from the world's most demanding chefs. A built-in teppanyaki grill sits beside a temperature-controlled sake dispenser. A dedicated chocolate tempering station features precise controls accurate to 1/10 of a degree. And the walk-in refrigerator, yes, you walk into it, spans over 300 square feet, with separate climate zones for produce, dairy, proteins, and beverages, including a dedicated section for champagne kept at the perfect 45 degrees. What truly sets these ultra-luxury kitchens apart isn't just the materials or the appliances. It's the invisible infrastructure that makes daily life feel absolutely effortless. In these homes, smart technology anticipates every need. Refrigerators track inventory and automatically reorder groceries. Ovens can be preheated remotely from anywhere in the world. And lighting systems adjust throughout the day to match the natural rhythms of the sun, creating an atmosphere that's energizing in the morning and soothing by evening. Water in these kitchens flows through custom filtration systems that would rival those found in pharmaceutical laboratories. Some homeowners even install dedicated water lines that deliver still, sparkling, and mineral water, each at the perfect temperature, with just the touch of a button. And then there are the hidden spaces, the butler's pantries and prep kitchens concealed behind seamless panels that most guests never even know exist. These secondary kitchens allow staff to prepare elaborate meals without disturbing the pristine beauty of the main space. In one Beverly Hills estate, the hidden kitchen spans over 1,500 square feet and includes its own dedicated service entrance, ensuring that deliveries and preparations happen completely out of sight. The craftspeople behind these extraordinary spaces represent the absolute pinnacle of their trades. Cabinet makers who trained for decades in workshops passed down through generations. Stone cutters who understand the unique personality of every block of marble they touch. Metalworkers who forge custom hardware using techniques unchanged for centuries. These artisans pour years of their lives into single projects, knowing that their work will outlast them by generations. Standing in one of these kitchens, you begin